Hey people, what's up? It's your boy Xavier John, and we are off to another ride. We are going to the same place we went to last time, Pool Pada, if you remember. If not, I'm gonna put the flashback right now. Disappointment to its max. We reached on top, and we got to know that this is not the mountain that we were looking for. A bit disappointed because I could not get the bird's eye view of the entire location. But still, next time, there's always a next time, and I won't give up. I'll come back and I'll find that place. So you guys remember this place? We had been there, we were searching for this place where I could get a bird's eye view of the entire locality, the area, but we could not find a place like that. Apparently I've come across a guy who lives in Virar and who knows that area very well, and he's been there a couple of times, so let's go and check that place out. You guys have already seen the way towards the Pool Pada Dam, so I'm gonna skip that. It's 5 in the morning and we are about to leave. So if you guys haven't checked my page out yet, please do check out my channel Explorer at Last and subscribe to this if you haven't. Link to my Instagram is also down there. Please check that out for further updates on all my videos. So check out the place and I hope you have fun. I've reached this place, Pool Pada Dam. It's all dark, you won't be able to see anything at the moment. And we are about to start our trek. Guy that I was supposed to meet is here, Hiren.
Hello. So basically my name is Hiren Vora and I'm from Virar itself. And right now I'm in my architecture, finally architecture student, and side by side I used to travel and explore many places and all. So currently we are on a journey to explore and see the sunrise.
So see you guys on top. And meanwhile, I'll put his link down below for his Instagram. Check his Instagram page. You'll love it. So we've reached the foothill of this mountain. Last time as well, we started off from here. So it's going to take about 1 hour to reach on top. So hopefully we reach before the sunrise. We will, right? By 7:15? We should?
Before 7.
Before 7. We should reach there before 7. So let's start the trek. There's a tower as well over here, right?
Yeah, the tower is from that side.
Okay.
When we climbed those steps,
Okay.
we took right?
हाँ.
So वहाँ से left लेके you go straight inside. So inside you walk around half a kilometer somewhere.
Okay.
There is one temple there, and at the back side of the temple there is that tower thing.
Oh, lovely. The stairs have started, and I remember last time we counted the number of stairs that were here. 320 stairs. So we gotta climb 320. So we've reached the first temple, heading towards the second. The steps will end, I guess, at the third temple, and the trail begins from there. Let's walk it off. We've reached the second temple. The third temple is right there on top. I hate climbing stairs. I prefer trails. Wow. Finally, we've reached the third temple. Check out the view. City looks beautiful, man, from here. विनय सो गया क्या?
स्पीड अपना 10 मिनट में पहुंच जाएंगे.
हाँ. इधर से और how much?
हाफ एन आवर में पहुंच.
Half an hour में? I can't get enough of the view. So do you think we'll still get that fog and all?
Yeah, we might.
Let's move. We've completed the first phase, headed towards the second. Gotta start from here. So let's go. I'll record as much as I can. I doubt you guys can see anything at this point. It's a rocky trail here. The moon looks beautiful. Okay, it's too dark here and I need both my hands to climb. So I'll see you guys on top. We have just reached the first plateau and that's the view right there. It's so beautiful. This point right here is Jivdani and we gotta climb up to that point there. Once we reach this point, we'll be higher than Jivdani. Isn't that beautiful? We've reached the second plateau. You see this land down here? That was supposed to be the lake, which is all dried up now. Let's continue the trek, come on. Okay, it's almost sunrise time and we are still trekking. We gotta reach on top quickly now. We are almost there. That's the peak, right? That's the peak. You see the flag on top? That's the peak. We are almost there. And check out the place, the view. It's outstanding, man. I feel like I'm on the top of the world. That's the river, right?
Vaitarna, yeah.
Vaitarna?
Yeah.
See all the mist, fog everywhere. So beautiful. Finally we are here. That point right there. It's almost sunrise time. I'll show you guys something. I have not really made a vlog on that place, but I've been to that place a couple of times before. See right there? That's the Pilhar Lake and Pilhar Dam. That's Tungareshwar right there. Vaitarna River is down there. That's Vasai side, right? Somewhere? That's Vasai. Highway? Where is it? Somewhere down there is the highway. Waiting for the sunrise. It's going to be so beautiful out here after that amazing trek. It was tiring, slippery, but amazing. The sun is out and we are ready to leave now. Now let's go to that spot there and head home from there. हम लोग गए वहाँ पे. You guys remember we had been to Arnala Fort? It's right there. ठीक है. Try to zoom it. 100 Arnala Fort is right there. Full लिया मैं. This is the highest point of Baroda Gad and we are approximately 1,400-1,500 feet above sea level here. It's indeed a beautiful place to be at. Let's check out the view. The trek down is going to be tricky because it's pretty steep down there and while climbing we had some difficulty, but then we made it so far. We'll make it back home safe in one piece. Earlier it was too dark over here, but this is the first plateau and we are almost about to reach down. We had come from here, but that way is too steep, so we'll take another trail from here, which is, I guess, better, right? It's pretty better comparatively, so we'll take that trail down. हाँ इधर से जाएंगे अब. As a kid, I was pretty mischievous, so I used to go to places that I'm not supposed to go to and all. So you know, small hills and stuff. So I learned pretty early that when you are climbing downhill, always walk sideways. At least keep your leg sideways so that you don't slip. If you keep your leg this way, there are chances that you might slip and fall. So just walk sideways. You get more grip this way. Now there's a way you can go straight on top, climb another mountain there, but we'll take this trail straight down. So finally we've reached back the stairs. Reach the stairs. If you remember, we had come here last time. This is Poolpada Dam. Okay, the area's name is Poolpada. It's also called as Papadkindi Dam. And last time that we had come, there's water here during rainy season. But right now it's all dry and people are playing cricket down there. So I'm headed back home. And before we go home, I'm damn hungry. I've heard there's some good misal pav place here. It's very famous. So let's just go and check that out. So we've reached this place. It's called Lopis Shetkari Dhaba. And it looks something like this. Wooden decor. And this place, I've heard it's got amazing misal pav. It's called Tandoori Misal. He's gonna add in some coal and you get that smoky flavor out of it. So let's just go and try that out.
त्यांचं किमा पाव तुमचा किती 2 आहेत का 2 किमा पाव लेकिन उधर प्रॉब्लम क्या उधर कॉस्टली क्या है
इधर ना Isn't this place beautiful? It's totally rustic and you have that completely village kind of feel over here. Check this out, check the scenery. It's called Tandoori Misal. So let's try this out. The speciality of this place is its feel, basically. You get a village kind of vibe out here. The misal that is given is in an earthen pot. It's served on a banana leaf, and the bread is given in a bamboo bowl. It's unlike any misal I've ever tried, honestly. So we are done and we are about to leave. We had so many things, it was extremely filling, and my total bill amount came up to just 177 rupees. This place is absolutely amazing. Do check it out. It's at Nawapur at Virar. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Also hit the bell icon for notifications whenever I drop a new video. So see you guys next time. Until then, bye bye.